Welcome to all in the series of class 12th of physical education, unit 2, sports and nutrition. Today we will discuss about the effects of diet on performance of sportsmen. How the diet is effective on the sports performance. There is a different diet plans for the different stages of the competition or before the competitions. So on the basis of that, the sports person can improve their sports performance very easily. Let us see how it is possible. The diet during training period, the sports person has used the rich of complex carbohydrates along with low fat diet. On the behalf of that, they have to be improve their training during training period. Next one week before the competition. It means before the 1 week of the competition, the sports person has used the rich of complex carbohydrate diets in which they has to use rice, wheat, potatoes, milk, cakes, etc. On the behalf of that, they have to be rich of carbohydrates or energy. 3 to 4 hours before the competition, the sports person, when they have to go to involve in any competition, then before the competition of 3 or 4 hours before, they have to use the diet rich of complex carbohydrates with low fats, low in protein and fibers, just like milk, rice, wheat, cakes and etc. During the competition, when the sports person has involved in the competition, on that time while the competition or during the competition, they has to use the simple carbohydrates in prolonged activities for more than 1 hour intensive workout. For that, more than liquid form is used by the sportsman rather than hard stuffy forms of food. So it means when the competition has started and on that time the 1 hour or more than 1 hour intensive workout is required. For that, the sports person has used the liquid diet mostly, and not use the hard stuff diet. On the behalf of that, they have to maintain the water level in their body. Next one is contact sports. Contact sports mean in which the injuries are more possible, just like wrestling, boxing, judo and kabaddis, like that. In that type of the sports, lot of injuries games also. More proteins are required or used by the sports person to repair their injuries or to repair their tissues of the body or to wound of the body. And they have to use mostly complex carbohydrate with vitamins and minerals mostly. In the explosive events like that, the throws events or the strengthening events like shot put, discus, hammer throw, javelin throw, these type of events are required the more strength. So it is called the explosive strength. So for that, the sports person and used lot of vitamins and minerals along with the protein. Protein has given the energy and minerals and vitamins are the fulfill the requirement of their water balancing of the body. So it is the brief discussion about the effects of diet on performance of a sports person. We have to also improve our sports performance to use or on the behalf of that diet plan. Thank you.